Take multivitamins. Things like vitamin C, zinc, vitamin D do provide some form of protection. Hello guys, welcome to another video. If you are new today, my name is Andy. Welcome to Andy Speaks TV. In this channel, we talk about healthy lifestyle, healthy living, nurse practitioner, travel, nursing, everything health. If that's something that is like, what you like, please, subscribe to the channel so you know whenever we upload a video. I'm going to talk to you guys about 10 things you can do this season, okay, to keep yourself and your family healthy. As we know, we've entered the flu season. There's a lot of allergies, there's a lot of coughing going on. Tree leaves are falling even though it looks beautiful. You gotta be safe this season. So these are my 10 tips. Number one, make sure that you improve your indoor air quality. There are different ways that you can do that. Some of the ways is through air filter. If you are able and can afford air filter in your homes, please make sure that you use air filter in the homes because it keeps the air purified and healthy for you and your kids, especially if you have little kids like me. Also, if you are able to, please put on your mask. I know that we are not wearing them right now and it's not mandatory. Personally, I still wear it at work because there's been an outbreak of COVID at my job recently, and thank God I haven't had it. But that's because I always, once the season switched, I put on my mask all the time because I noticed that people are still a little loose when it comes to that, and people are just getting sick. Another thing that I did to kind of help myself that I don't bring nothing home to my kids is I don't really eat in the lunchroom anymore because there's a lot of people in the lunchroom, and because there's no mask mandate, there's a lot of people sitting together. So what I do is I go in early, I warm my food, and I go to my car and I sit down. If I'm able to, I go a little early before a lot of people come in. I go in there, I eat my food, and I'm out. If I go in there, if I don't have a choice, I put on my mask. I go in there, warm my food. The only time it comes off is when I'm eating. As soon as I'm done, I am out of there. Another way you can keep your air quality clean is by inspecting your filter. If you're not able to do it, change your filters. If you're not able to do it, get someone else to do it. Hire a professional. Have them come and check your air filter. If it needs to be replaced, please do so. Make sure that you're not around people that are smoking, because even secondhand smoking can lead to cough, can cause your lungs to be impacted. It can make you sick. So try as much as possible to stay away from people that smoke. Whenever you're at home, make sure you air out your home. Make sure you open the windows as much as possible to air it out, get fresh air in, breathe in fresh air. Definitely, important. And number 2 tip is to inspect your smoke alarms. Make sure you have your smoke alarm checked. Replace the batteries if you need to. While you are in, clean your smoke alarm, okay? Dust all the dust away, wipe it off, make sure that it's clean, okay? And number 3 is, if you're like me, be very cautious when using candles. I love candles. I love to burn candles inside my house because it smells good, but you gotta be careful because especially this season, it can change the air quality in your house. It's also a fire hazard. So make sure that you're checking and making sure that everything is safe. Make sure that you keep the candles away from your children. Do not leave it unattended. Do not light it and leave it unattended because, again, it's a fire hazard. If you're going to go to bed, if you're lighting your candle at night, please make sure that you turn it off before you go to sleep. Number 4, if you're using space heaters, please be careful when using space heaters because it's also a fire and electric hazard. So it also can change the quality of air in your house. So make sure that you're being careful. Do not leave it unattended. Do not turn it on and go to sleep with it on. Please make sure that you turn it off before you go to bed. Make sure that you're not using the heater near paint, okay, because it can cause fire. Make sure that you're not using it near your children. Please move it away from your furniture because it can become so hot it can actually light it up on fire. Number 5, make time for your mental health. There's something called seasonal depression where when it gets cold, for some people they become depressed, they become slower, they think slower, everything just becomes slower. Make sure that you know yourself, recognize those signs, and take time for yourself, take time to care for yourself, because if you're not good, you will not be able to take care of your children, you will not be able to take care of your family. So make sure that you're taking time to take care of your mental health. Pay attention to your body. If you're tired, take a break. If you need vacation, take a vacation. Take care of you. Number 6, prepare yourself for the weather. This is the season where the trees are, the leaves are falling, they look beautiful, they look good. Make sure that you prepare your vehicle, that your tires are good. Make sure that your wipers are good. Change your wipers if you need to change them. If you don't have emergency kit in your car, talking to myself, you should get that. Make sure that you have snacks, you have blanket, torchlight in your car in case of emergency, okay? Make sure that you get your car prepared. Number 7, if you have leaves that are falling in your driveway, in your walk road where you walk, please make sure you gather it up, especially if you have little children, because once it rains or some in the morning, when it's a little bit wet, if your child walks there, they can slip and fall. So to prevent falls, make sure that you clean up fallen leaves, pack them, keep your driveway clean, keep your walkway clean to prevent falls. When you're cleaning up the leaves, make sure you're wearing long sleeves so that you don't get bite. Make sure that if you're someone that has allergies, please put on your mask, because it's going to help you with the dust, with the air when you're cleaning up, to keep yourself safe. If you're a guy that likes to help around the house, that you have to climb up to do things, climb up to clean your chimney, make sure that you practice ladder safety. Make sure that you practice ladder safety. Make sure you're using the right one. Make sure you're facing the right direction. I would even go as far as making sure that someone is around to help you. If you need help, make sure that the ladder is stabilized and it's balanced well on the floor while you're climbing up to do things, so that you do not fall, okay? Because sometimes you need to clean the leaves in your chimneys, you need to clean the leaves on your roof. So when you're doing that, please make sure that you're doing it right. If you're not able to do it, please get someone to help you. Get somebody else to do it. Prevent the flu. There are so many controversies surrounding the flu shot. Some people take it, some people don't. Personally, I never used to take flu shots until one day I got the flu. It whooped my butt. My head was pounding. It felt like it was going to fall off. My eye was hurting so bad. I couldn't even put my face down. It was so bad. But still, after that, I still wasn't getting the flu shot. But then when I started having kids and I was trying to protect my kids, so I was giving them flu shot, then I started feeling guilty. Why are you giving your kids flu shots if you're not taking? So that's how I started taking flu shot. So every year I do take the flu shot, but I do understand that there are people that have reservations against taking flu shot. That is absolutely up to you. If you're one of those that don't take the flu shot, here are my tips for you to get yourself protected. Wear your mask. It's going to help you. Take multivitamins. I give my children multivitamins. I take multivitamins, vitamin C, zinc, if you're able to. Disclaimer, I'm not prescribing anything for you. Please make sure that you check with your doctor before you take anything, including over-the-counter medications. Make sure that you're eating healthy, more fruits and veggies. I did a video where I talked about 9 foods that can naturally boost your body, that can naturally boost your immune system. I'm going to link that video up here. If you haven't seen it, I'll encourage you to watch it, especially if you're someone that doesn't eat those foods. It's going to naturally boost your immune system and give you some layer of protection if you don't take the flu shot. So make sure you're putting on your mask. Make sure that you're taking over-the-counter multivitamin. Of course, discuss with your physician about that. Things like vitamin C, zinc, vitamin D do provide some form of protection. Make sure that you're eating healthy, and make sure you're exercising. Eating healthy and exercising go hand in hand. Sometimes exercising is not for you to lose weight, it's for you to boost your immune system, it's for you to keep your overall body healthy. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope this video helped you in some way. I hope you like it. If you do have other tips that you want to share, please leave in the comment section. Let me know, what do you do yourself that I didn't mention that you do to protect yourself? What do you guys do in your family? Because I've heard of so many things that people do. Boiling onions and garlic and some kind of things and then just breathing into it. I've heard so many things, okay? So let me know what your tips are. Let me know what your secret is. Like what is that one thing that you do in your family to keep yourself protected this season? Until my next video, I love you with the love of God. Bye.